Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to use the eraser tool in Photoshop. This will allow you to make precise edits and corrections to your images. Let's get started. To use the eraser tool, first open your desired image in Photoshop. You can do this by going to File and then Open, or simply drag and drop the image into the Photoshop workspace. Now select the eraser tool from the toolbar on the left side of the screen. You can also press the E key as a shortcut to activate the eraser tool. You can adjust the size and hardness of the eraser brush according to your needs. You can do this by clicking on the brush size drop-down menu at the top of the screen. Once you have your eraser settings ready, simply click and drag the eraser over the areas you want to remove or erase in your image. So as you can see, the selected pixels will be deleted, revealing the transparent background or white background. If you make a mistake or need to restore parts of the image, don't worry. Simply press Ctrl plus Z key to undo your last action. And that's it! You now know how to use the eraser tool in Photoshop. It's a powerful tool for fine-tuning your images and achieving the desired results. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching this tutorial on how to use the eraser tool in Photoshop. As you practice and experiment with this tool, remember that editing is an art and perfection takes time. So don't be afraid to try new things and enjoy the creative process. Until next time, happy editing and see you on my next video.